rapid advancements in industrial and robotic industry technologies have resulted in the neglect of critical wire and component management standards. With more than 80 years of experience in 40 countries, HellermannTyton offers a proven wire and component management solution that standardizes quality management in today's quickly advancing industrial and robotic industries. HellermannTyton cradle mounts provide reliable wire and cable bundle routing support for panel and chassis applications. The open cradle design allows easy cable insertion and routing that accommodates a wide range of bundle sizes while reducing cable strain and improving organization in confined spaces. HellermannTyton's cylindrical proximity sensor mounts with a vertical slotted design enables quick installation, proper mounting alignment, and sensor cable management. An integrated retaining slot and a galvanized steel plate improve strength and mounting security for various industrial automation application needs. Cable stackers eliminate switchboard spaghetti with a separation of wires into dedicated power and signal pockets. Cable stackers reduce the risk of interference and signal loss of parallel runs with quick, tool-free handling that simplifies the build, teardown, and reinstallation process. HellermannTyton wiring duct incorporates a slotted design with narrow slotted breakaway fingers for fast and flexible wire routing that protects and organizes large wire bundles throughout control panels while providing easy access for maintenance and wire replacement. HellermannTyton products provide quality fastening, connecting, routing, protecting, and identifying solutions for improving wire and component management standards in today's rapidly advancing industrial and robotics industries. Learn more at Heilind.com.